Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create text behind person in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add one photo here and I'm going to add text, change the text and resize, change the style, so and also add the animation. This is optional. Yeah, just zoom in, and after that you are just going to export. Click export and delete the project, go to media and import task creator. Here and add the track to created and select the um, original photo. So click the original photo, which is this is overlay. So you can remove the background. Just click out the cut out. Alright, for that you can see the final result like so. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.